Okay, so what are the advantages to using an agent? You can buy directly on the exchanges and off the exchanges. You don't need an agent. Question is, what are the advantages? It's important to point out what the cost is of using an agent before we give you the advantages, and the answer is absolutely free. It's 100% free for you to use an agent. The agent gets paid out of the insurance company's pocket, not your pocket. The insurance company simply takes a small portion of that monthly premium that you're paying each month and uses that to pay the agent. So what are the advantages of using an agent? The first advantage is you get the VIP treatment. You go straight to the front of the line. You know, calling up these government exchanges is kind of like calling the IRS or the DMV. It's a large government agency, a large bureaucracy, and when you call up, they have these phone queues where you sometimes have to wait for hours. It's much easier to just call up a small private insurance company that has just a few employees working there, and they actually answer the phone. And you're not just a number, you're a client. You call up and you get much more personalized treatment. And of course, an insurance agent can enroll you in a plan that's either on or off the exchange. They can get you any subsidy money that you might be eligible for, and they're just a phone call away. So skip the lines and go straight to the front by using an agent. How would you like to have your own personal assistant to take care of any problems that come up with your insurance policy? That's exactly what you've got when you have an agent. You just pick up the phone and call and say, hey, I'm having a problem with billing. They double billed me. Or I'm having a problem with one of my claims. The insurance company doesn't want to pay it. And the agent can take care of everything for you. On the other hand, if you don't have an agent, you're pretty much on your own. You have to call up the insurance company. You have to navigate the complex maze of customer service representatives and try to get to the right department and get your problem resolved. It's not always an easy thing. But for free, you can have an insurance agent that can go to bat for you and take care of all of the problems that might come up with your insurance policy. Remember, agents have lots of contacts in the business. We know everybody. We work with these companies. So it's much easier for us to take care of the problem than it is for you. And we do this all the time. It's very hard to find a problem that we haven't solved before. So let your agent take care of everything. Sit back, relax, call up your agent, and let them do all the work for you. The next advantage to using an agent is motivation. An agent is motivated to keep your business. And the reason is that's how the agent makes money. That's how they stay in business. That's how they put food on the table. They want to keep you as a valued client, and they're going to go that extra mile to try to help retain your business. On the other hand, when you call up an insurance company and you get a customer service representative, well, they get paid by the hour. They're making their hourly wage, regardless of what the outcome is. Many of them are very nice people, but it's just not the same thing when you're actually trying to retain a client. It's a personal thing, especially if it's your insurance agency. You have your reputation on the line, and you'll do anything and everything you can to try to resolve that client's issue. When you call up those government exchanges, you're going to reach a person known as a navigator. A navigator is a newly created government position where people can assist you in choosing the right health insurance plan and choosing your health insurance. Contrast that with reaching an agent, someone that's been doing this for 10, 20, 30, 40 years. There's just no comparison. These navigators have literally just come on the scene. They obviously mean well, but they just don't have the same kind of experience and expertise that you're going to get from an insurance agent that's been practicing for most of their lives. So, when it comes to choosing the best plans for you and your family and getting the best possible advice, the best route is clear. Using a seasoned insurance agent that's been around and knows the business, the ins, knows the outs, is the best route to go for you and your family. They can offer you the best possible advice on what to do. Sometimes sticking with your current plan is the best way to go. Sometimes getting a new policy is the best way to go. And we here at Insurance Depot have been practicing since 1970, when this business was started by my parents, Norman and Gail Rabb. We invite you to call us anytime for good old-fashioned expert insurance advice for you and your family. Call us anytime at 1-800-326-8881. And of course, here are our two websites, insurancedepot.online.com and newhealthcareenrollment.com.